Hi all, welcome to the Google Certified Professional Data Engineer course. So we will be preparing you all for Google Certified Professional Data Engineering certification. And this discussion is focused on the prerequisites that one should have in order to successfully achieve this certification. So I would be going over these prerequisites both from the Google Cloud perspective as well as non-Google Cloud components that one should be aware of in order to understand the course topics. So as you can see, one should have knowledge about identity and access management, how the users are getting created um, in Google Cloud platform. One should have stack driver, logging and monitoring knowledge. So basic Google Cloud services that are available, one should have knowledge about, like Google Cloud Storage, and one should be aware how the resources are structured in Google Cloud Platform. So I'm talking about managing the GCP projects, how to create a new project, right? And how to enable the services APIs, all those knowledge. And importantly, one should have working knowledge about compute engines that are VMs. One should be able to spin up Google Compute Engine, right? VMs, um, whether it is Linux flavor or any other operating system that we are talking about. So, and coming on to the non-GCP components, the knowledge of SQL is must have because there are a lot of areas, a lot of services in this course that would be requiring a working knowledge of SQL, like the syntax of SQL queries, whether they are insert, update, delete, right? How to write SQL, right? SQL queries. So the knowledge of Hadoop and Spark is again required to understand the services that are offered by Google Cloud Platform in big data area, right? All the big data services that are offered by Google Cloud Platform. One should have working knowledge about big data technologies, right, in order to understand how those managed services are working. So then one should have knowledge about stream and batch processing, how to analyze real-time data, right? What are the services that are offered by Google Cloud Platform to process the real-time data, to process the stream. So one should have knowledge about stream and batch processing, that, and then the knowledge about Apache Beam. Well, this is again required. It requires Java knowledge. Again, it's a good to have exposure on Java that will help understand a lot of services that are based on Apache Beam, right? And then exposure to ML and data science would be very helpful in understanding the managed services that are offered by Google Cloud Platform in this area, right? So these are the prerequisites that are needed in order to successfully complete Google Certified Professional Data Engineering certification. So in the next discussion, we will be covering the exam structure and we would be discussing about what are the key points that needs to be kept in mind and how the exam is structured. What are the key focus areas that one should be working on, right? Thank you guys.